Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and yoga instructor. Today we're going to do a hip opening routine using a chair as a prop. It's only 5 minutes long. It's perfect for long office days, or even if you're at home and you want something quick that's beginner friendly. We're going to start with some hip circles to warm up. You may find that it's really difficult to do your hip circles if you're not holding your chair. So grab the back of your chair with your hands to give you some support. But try to work on really using your core strength. Try to let go of the chair a little bit as you do your hip circles. Now we're gonna switch side. That's perfect to warm up before we start stretching, using some core strength and hip strength. Next, you're going to place your feet flat on the floor, hinge at the hips to place your hands in between your feet. As you stay in that stretch, you can focus on pressing your chest forward and your butt back. Breathe, relax into your stretch. Next, we're going to do a similar stretch, but you're going to be pressing the sole of your feet together. It's a butterfly stretch, and you can keep your feet near the floor and stretch here, pressing your hips out. If that helps you feel into the stretch, and if that feels good, stretch here. Or you can also take your feet onto the seat of your chair and stretch like that. Again, I want you to be pressing your butt back and your chest forward. The advantage of having a chair as a prop is that you can use the different parts of the chair to help you get deeper in the stretch. Here I'm pulling on the legs of the chair. Next, you're going to place your left foot on the floor, cross your right ankle on your left knee. Keep your right foot flexed. As we did for the other stretches, you're going to hinge at the hips by pressing your chest forward and pushing your butt back. Now switch leg. Also, try placing your hands on your hips. That helps create that hinging at the hip action sometimes, I find. And you will notice that flexing your foot helps stretch deeper. And that's why it's good to make sure you're flexing your foot. Next, you're going to stand beside your chair. Place your right foot on your chair. And again, you're going to be hinging at the hip. And lower as deep as you can here to stretch your inner hip. You can move in the stretch, see what feels good here. Maybe you need to move this way or that way. I'm gonna switch side. That's it. You're done for today's chair yoga hip opening routine. And now you can keep enjoying that beautiful, relaxing and opening sensation throughout the rest of your day. Thanks for working out with me, and we'll see you next week.